The Basics Explained. Medicare Advantage was created to give Medicare beneficiaries a lower premium option than Medigap. It's especially helpful for people who missed their Medigap open enrollment window or now have health conditions that make it hard to qualify for a Medigap policy. Instead of staying on original Medicare alone and facing more unpredictable costs, they can look at Medicare Advantage as another way to structure their coverage. Medicare Advantage plans, also called MA or Medicare Part C, are not the same as Medigap plans. With Medigap, Medicare pays first, and then your supplement helps cover some or all of the leftover costs. With Medicare Advantage, you get your Part A and Part B benefits through a private insurance company, instead of directly through original Medicare. That private company becomes your day-to-day administrator for Medicare-covered services. Read more at trustedseniorsolutions.com. Enjoyed this update? Follow for more videos and updates like this.